For the first song, let me sing about the bird on the treetop.
Love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and with all your strength. Deuteronomy 6:5.
The birds upon the treetops sing